Hello everyone, today we have a website hosted on our local host using Laragon, and we want to migrate it to a WordPress website on a server. So now we're going to install WordPress using Softaculous on our subdomain. So just setting up the website initial credentials. I will wait for the install to complete, and then we go to the WordPress dashboard. Now that WordPress has been installed, we're gonna head to plugins. We're gonna add a new plugin, and that is WPvivid. It's backup and migration. Now that we have the plugin installed on our server, we're gonna go back to our local host. I'm using Laragon. Go back to the dashboard and do the same thing. Install and activate the WPvivid plugin. When it's installed on our local host, we're gonna create a backup. You can choose from different options, whatever you need. At the moment, we're just going to wait for the backup to complete, and then we go further with the next steps. Here the backup has been created. We can download it, and on download for both, as now we are at the local host, we can just go to the directory So these two zip files are the files of our backup that we are going to upload on our cPanel. We head to File Manager, then head to Public HTML. As this is a subdomain, we're gonna head to the name of the subdomain, it's city, and then go to WordPress content, then plugins, then it's at the bottom, WPvivid backups, and we're gonna upload the two zip files here. Go to Laragon folder. If you are using Laragon, you're just gonna need to have the two files exported from the plugin. After the completion of the upload and we see the two files on our server, we're gonna go back to our demo or the website, on the server and scan uploads. You're gonna click on restore, and then you're just gonna wait until the restoration is done. It's gonna take a while depending on your website size. At this moment we have the website has been restored and we have the local website live on our demo link. This way we are done with our WordPress migration from our local host to the server successfully. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.